Hi everyone, and it's a quick one today with Phoebe Fit. I'm back with Pout's Perfumes and Panning for a very quick video, but an important one nonetheless, one that needs to be done. So it's called Pout Panning, and I'm doing some panning of some lipsticks and lip glosses, lip liners, etc. All lip products, so keep watching. So I'm going to be talking you through some lovely goodies that I've come across recently, but ones that are some of my older stock in my collection, so they kind of need to be panned. So I'm going to be going through them today really quickly, and it's a brief video, so no need to get a coffee, but do if you feel like it, and I will talk you through what's in this lovely bag. So let's get into it, let's waste no time. So the first item I have is Carter Beauty by Marissa Carter Free Speech Lip Tint in the shade Katie, and it is a gorgeous peach. Beautiful. Now I have all these items in this bag and I never use them. This is one of the older makeup bags in my collection, and sadly I haven't used these things in a while, so I'm definitely going to be getting to use on that and getting to grips on panning these items, because simply they need to be panned. So before they go off, you know, I hate things going off and going to waste. So I have a Ted Baker London lip liner in a beautiful shade, a nude shade, neutral, and this is a gorgeous one. Can't wait to use this. It's a lip liner and it's in the shade, there is no shade to this, so it's just a Ted Baker lip liner. Then I have a Wet n Wild matte in Sandstorm. So I love finding things that I haven't seen in a while, you know, so you can kind of incorporate them into your daily makeup routine. It's a lovely lipstick. I have a Wet n Wild lip liner in Chestnut. The Wet n Wild lip liners are so big, aren't they? They're like huge. They're even bigger than the MAC ones. I mean, look at the length of that. Gorgeous. I've used that a few times. It's another neutral, but it definitely needs more panning to get rid of it. I hate sharpening lip liners too, because I'm so like, they go smaller and smaller and smaller, you know, and you're kind of like losing them, but eventually they need to have to be panned when they're going, you know, and they're not getting any younger, like myself and like you guys. Like, none of you are getting any younger. Sadly, none of us are getting younger. We're all getting older, and so are my lip products. This is Game Player Lip Shot by Sleek Gloss Impact. Lovely shade. It's kind of a lovely orangey. Not a shade I typically wear, but I think I got every shade in that collection, as you'll see. This is another Lip Shot by Sleek in the shade Hidden Truth. It's kind of a grey brown. Love that. I love a brown. I love a grey brown. Lovely neutral shade. I have the Revolution, oh my favourite, Revolution Phoebe lip gloss with the little Friends design. Loving that. I've worn this one a few times. It is one of my favourites in my collection, just simply because it's called Phoebe. I have a few more Phoebes in here from Revolution. So obviously that's the Friends one. Then I have something that's broken. Yeah, it's actually broken, but it's the Carter Beauty lipstick in a gorgeous vibrant pink. Love that too. I love everything. It's in the shade, if you're interested, let me see, Word of Mouth, I think. Usually the girl names, those lipsticks and lip glosses by Carter Beauty. Carter Beauty is an Irish brand, and usually they have, like, you know, girl names like Katie or whatever. Then I have three beautiful Peachy Queen Y2K Cyber Lippies. So the first one we have to come out with this collection, I got it. I love the packaging. I mean, look at that. Stunning. There's all the Y2K little things, little emojis. Gorgeous, so girly. Peachy Queen were a great brand. They still are, but I haven't bought from them in a while. So this is Cyber Girl. It is a brown. Love that. It's a matte brown, which I love a matte brown lippy. It's a liquid lip, and I used to love wearing that one maybe 2-3 years ago, but I haven't worn it in a while, so we'll be getting back onto that. This one is in the shade Y2K, and I love this because they're my favourite shades. There's a pink, there's a purple, and there's a neutral. This is a lovely pink gloss. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? That's Y2K. Love that too. I love all these shades, because they're the ones that typically I wear. I like nudes, I like pinks, and I also like a little mauvey purple, which is what this one is. So this one is called 2000s Baby, which I'm actually not a 2000s baby. I'm a 90s child, 90s baby. But yeah, why not? It's a lovely neutral, or no, it's not neutral, it's mauve. It's a mauvey purple, and I love that too. It's matte, that one. So I love these sort of mauvey shades. They're nice. I think they're really, if they're matte, they're really, you know, I think they're really, a mauvey matte is sort of, liquid lip is sort of a very, complementary to all skin tones sort of thing. It's like, it's beautiful. I think I like the look of it on me, you know. It's a very sort of, what's the word? It's sort of like, complements my skin tone. This is a Matte Me by Sleek. It's in the shade That's So Fetch. So obviously keeping on theme with the Mean Girls from the previous video. Beautiful pinky purple. This is the Matte Me's by Sleek. I used to be obsessed with back in the day. Back in the day, it was like maybe 4 years ago. But yeah, Project Lip. I have this one for a while. It's in the shade Flame, and it's their vibrant red. So if you know me, you know I loved Project Lip a few years back. They're a plumping brand, and I love that. That's their red shades from their collections. This is in Mochalicious. It's a lovely Wet n Wild lipstick. Definitely get some use out of panning that one, and I can't wait to keep up with the progress on the panning too, and keep you updated with it. Escape and Unwind by Millie Mackintosh. Got that in a Christmas gift set by Boots. Love the Millie Mackintosh products. They're so underrated. So it's a Lippie, a lovely liquid gloss. I have a Huda Beauty in the shade Cheerleader. It is a lovely red gorge. It's a matte as well. Love that. There's a lot of use to be got out of that one. I love Huda, or Huda, however you pronounce it. Then I have a Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade HD Kisses, is it? Not sure on that one. I think it's HD Kisses, yeah. Or they could all be called HD Kisses, and it's just the name of the brand. Not sure. So that's kind of a lovely, kind of muted sort of color. It's kind of a neutrally reddy kind of shade, I guess I'd describe it as. This is the Sola Look, which were a indie brand. I'm not sure if they're still around. I think they could be, but I'm not sure. But they were great back in the few years ago. This is called Jessie, and it's one of the Saved by the Bell ones. It's beautiful, metallic. I mean, look at that. This should be going to no waste, but it is going to waste right now, but not anymore, because I'm going to be panning these products, and I know I am, and I'm going to definitely keep up with that. So this is a Character Beauty, and it's in a more muted shade than the pink and the orange. It's this one is called Word of Mouth Adele. That one's called Adele. My eyesight isn't what it used to be. Well, it was never brilliant, but you know what I mean. Then I have a Sosu by Suzanne Jackson. Lip tint gloss in the shade Whatever. Love that. That was kind of the most pink one she had, which isn't really that pink, but you know, it's pink enough. Then this is kind of a muted pink lip shop by Sleek in the shade Brutal Honesty. Yeah, love that one. It's a lovely shade, Brutal Honesty. Love the names of these lippies. How are we doing for time? 8 minutes. Right, I have another Huda Beauty Demi Matte, this time in the shade Shaker. So I love the Demi Mattes by Huda. Huda or Huda, which is it? Let me know below. I hear people saying Huda, but I also hear people saying Huda, so I'm not really sure. This one is Behind Closed Doors Lip Shop by Sleek. I told you all these lip shots. This is a more purple shade. Love that one. So I have so many lippies in my collection. Out of everything I have in my collection, it's mostly lippies, and they're definitely going to waste. So these ones anyway. So have to kind of get to what is the name of this one? Not sure. It looks like the last shade from the Character Beauty. I think of two of these. I think it's the same, but that one doesn't have a name, seemingly. I have a wrong product. I have a Nivea lip balm, just your standard Nivea lip balm. Love those. They are so handy for dry lips. I've noticed my lips are a bit dry right now, so that'll come in handy. I'll be using that Plot Twist Lip Shot by Sleek. Nice shade. Kind of a rust, I guess. Autumnal shade. Then I have another Sola look, this time in the shade Lisa. It is more of a purpley metallic. Yeah, I'd definitely describe it as that. I love the feel of those metallic Sola looks on the lips. Then I have this lovely one by Peachy Queen. The name is kind of rubbing off now, it's sold, but it's called Bodacious, and it is just stunning. It is a pink. I love it. Like, I just love this shade, and I can't believe I haven't worn it in so long, but I just love that shade. Bodacious. And the packaging is so pretty too, it's so pink. Beautiful, like, stunning packaging. Can't wait to wear that one again for the first time in a while. I have a So Sue by Suzanne Jackson lipstick in the shade, I think this one is Boy Bye. Yeah, I think so. It doesn't actually say it on it, but I'm pretty sure that's what that one was and is still. Then I have a Sunkissed lip gloss, little juicy tube. That one doesn't have a shade, but it's kind of a neutral, as you can see. Nice. I love these for on the go, just taking them out and, you know, doing your lippies. Then I've another lip balm in the shade Pillow Talk. It's from the Love Burst collection that Love Island brought out a while back. Kind of old, that one, but we'll definitely get to use on that. And then we have the Phoebe Friends X Revolution. It's a neutral. This came in a lip kit. This is gorgeous. It's a beautiful lip gloss, and it is neutral. So I love the purple shade, this one here, of the Revolution, but I also love the more neutral shade of that they brought out in the Phoebe lip kit. So definitely, I think I have another one of these here somewhere, which I will get to in a little bit. Then I have another lip shot, yeah, another one in the shade Get Free. It's a lovely kind of orangey kind of shade, yeah. Then we have a Sleek lip liner in the shade Locked Up. It's pink. Love that. Everything I say, love that, love that. My description is sort of like the same. Then we have another Huda Beauty in the shade Trophy Wife. Huda, let me know. Beautiful purple, I love that one. So different. I love, like I said, I love a matte purple. They're beautiful. Then I have a Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Mad for Mauve, or Mauve. Sounds very posh right now. Mad for Mauve. What's next in the goodie bag? Yeah, here's the other Phoebe gloss by Revolution, which I told you I had. It's very kind of similar to the last one. It's kind of a gloss with a kind of a neutral gloss, but look at them, they're kind of different too at the same time. The same but different. This one is more of a reddy neutral. This one is more of a brown neutral. I guess I could describe them as that, but they're gorgeous. Love them. Falling over. Lip shot in Don't Ask. This is a lovely shade. I'd love to wear this one now. With the lips. I pretty much have every shade of those Sleek lip shots. Then I have a Burpees lip balm in Peony. Love that. It's kind of like, it tastes like toothpaste. It's lovely. If you just brush your teeth or something like that, or just to freshen it up, it is lovely. Those Burt's Bees lip balms, it actually tastes like toothpaste. So I love those. What else do I have? I have the Phoebe by Revolution lipstick. I'll show you that one. So obviously I had to get the Phoebe because I am Phoebe. So there's it's a lovely purple. Gorgeous, and it has the lips on it like yeah, Revolution lips, and it also fallen. Then it also has lips on the lid, which in the shade that it is, which is sort of a purple. Right, so we're getting to the end of this, so don't you worry if we're kind of getting bored. But you shouldn't be because it's fun. So I think the last thing I have in here that is lip. Yeah, so I have 2 more lip products is all. Wait, I have 3. 3 more lip products, sorry, in this lovely bag. So I have a Ted Baker lipstick in the shade, no, it just says 18 months on the bottom. It's a lovely brown neutral shade. It's kind of a soft neutral, I'd say. Then I have a Sun-Kissed lipstick in a nice shade. You know, not the most expensive of things, but lovely for, you know, using up. And then finally, the last thing I have in this bag is a matte lipstick by MAC. You know, you can't go wrong with a MAC, and it is matte, so yeah. So, and it's in the shade 648, you wouldn't get it. And it's a lovely one. I mean, look at that. Gorge. Beautiful. I love the smell of the matte lipsticks. It smells so creamy. I love them. The matte ones are the best. I have one of the you know, not matte ones, one of the like more satiny ones, I guess. I can't remember what they call them, but yeah, they're lovely too. So that is all my lip stuff that I found in this lovely bag. What are we at? We're just at 15 minutes now. So that's my lovely bag, and they're all the lovely lip products I haven't used in ages. So definitely smash a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this little foray into my lip collection. I'll definitely be back with more panning, project panning soon. Panning my lippies definitely, and I'll be back with more lippies maybe to show you some of the more recent ones that I've got. But I definitely want to pan two at the same time and be using them on the constantly using them, you know, because there's so much. I have so many lippies. It's definitely the utmost of my collection is lipsticks, lip glosses, lip liners. You know, I definitely have a lot of that sort of stuff, so I'd love to show you more. So tell me below if you'd like to know more, be seen more. If you'd like to see more, give us a big thumbs up, and if you want, give us a thumbs down if you didn't enjoy it. It's all good. And we would love for you to subscribe too if you haven't already. If you're watching this video and you're unsubscribed, please consider subscribing. We would really appreciate that. We love our subscribers. And yeah, that's it from me for today. Be back soon with more. Hopefully Tracy will be too. And yeah, as always, thank you so much for the support, and love you all. And yeah, so don't forget to leave a comment, and we love you all on this channel, and see you soon. So bye for now. Bye. So a little additional add-on, I'm calling this Pout panning, and if you are supporting me in this journey of Pout panning, then definitely give me a little lips emoji in the comments. Love that emoji. Just to show your support. And comment below anything else you have to say about the video or my lip panning. But keep it kind in the comments as always. And I'll see you soon. So bye from Phoebe Faye and Tracy for now.